Hi guys, welcome to Santa Cooks again.
Welcome again to Santa Cooks, guys. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're doing the Tunisian Pate, and it's episode 2 of our series of finger food, Sally entry style food. And give us some thumbs up, some
comments, anything that you want.
Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. We appreciate that. Don't forget the subscribe button, please and thank you. And we'll get going.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so the ingredients for our Tunisian pate are boiled eggs shredded, tuna, green olives, some cheese. I have some Mozzarella cheese and some Gruyere cheese, Swiss cheese, and 2 puff pastry sheet. And it's super easy and sure to impress anybody that's coming over for a visit. It's like an entree snack kind of recipe. I usually make few and take them if I'm invited to any places, so I have a plate to offer the hostess or the host, and it helps with when there's a big gathering or if you really want to impress a date. This is the easiest thing you can do. So guys, a little cheat sheet, you can add some whipped cream to make your stuffing delicious and give it some different texture. I'm gonna mix everything on this big bowl. My tuna. Yep.
Cream doesn't really go. Doesn't really make sense.
What?
Tuna with bakery cream doesn't go together. Whipping cream.
Whipping cream?
Whipping cream looks so much as milk.
Right, because it's like the cream part of the milk. I have some mozzarella, some Gruyere.
More Gruyere.
Yep, more Gruyere. Mix the whole thing.
Whoa, look how it looks like.
Yeah, right?
All mixed together and it looks like that.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna add a sprinkle of salt and black pepper to it. And I'm just gonna do a pinch of salt, a little bit, only a little tiny bit. A little more. I need more black pepper in there. Oops, you're not grounding. I don't know why. Let me see.
Wait, how do you ground?
You need to turn it around.
Oh, turn it?
Yeah. We're good, Mama. It's gonna be too much. That's enough, Habibi. Thank you so much. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my first puff pastry.
Ooh, puff pastry. So we're gonna make a puff pastry, but out of that?
Yeah.
What the?
I'm gonna measure how many it's gonna give me. So this is just so I know. Yeah. This is just for me to know where my filling is going. And this is part of our series of entree, snacks, puff pastry, between bricks and puff pastry, what we could do for if you're hosting a party, or like I know in Tunis this is even served in weddings. So just finger food ideas. So the previous video was the Tunisian brick nouni on the oven and fried. This one is the pate. The next one is gonna be the cones, the puff pastry made cones, and you fill them up with what you want. So I'm gonna put my second puff pastry on top.
Whoa.
I'll try to lay them down equally, or as close as possible. Whoa. Oopsie.
She made an error. It's okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be alright.
That's in cooking you make sometimes errors.
Right.
Wait, we're gonna cut that. I'm just helping you stick to
Wait,
this.
don't do it that, because I want to make sure.
Ooh, so we're gonna cut all of that.
separate it with our fingers, and then we're gonna
Ooh, smart.
so we know where to cut.
That is a smart idea.
Yep, fast and easy.
Then we're gonna use this side.
Yep.
Then we're gonna use this side.
Yep, I'm gonna use it again. Let me see. You can save this and make another batch, like finish using the stuffing.
If you want to.
Yeah.
Are you gonna do that?
Yes, probably. I have
No.
another package too, so.
No, please, mommy.
Okie dokie.
Okay.
I just need a fork, Mama, a small fork.
Okay, give me one small
I
fork.
can use the wash to help with that.
One small fork coming up.
Thank you.
Hey, why are you gonna wash? So you're gonna use. Is that a cooking brush or a painting brush?
This is a cooking brush, and this is egg yolk wash.
And the cooking brush looks like a paintbrush.
Right.
Yes, so much.
I know, right?
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is
There's absolutely no difference.
you can use it like if the cooking ones are specific for kitchen. So
Or you can use them for paint if you want.
the painting ones, I don't know. I don't
They're
think it's the
bigger.
same. It's the same material because this is like food healthy, like safer for people to use and it doesn't lose its pieces.
Like the painting one.
I don't know. So after brushing them all, I'm gonna go with the fork around.
That's smart. Just for decoration, you're not.
Yeah,
It's not-
It's actually to seal it so it doesn't come off.
You're
And
not.
then-
You're not requested to do it. Like you don't need to do if you don't want to do it.
But it just seals it so it
Yeah.
doesn't open up when it is cooking, right?
Yeah. Because sometimes they open up once it cooks.
Yeah, especially with puff pastry because it gets bigger and all the layers of the puff pastry
Get like
can make it puff open.
puff open.
I'm just being puff silly.
Puff silly. Oh.
I know, right?
Who's sillier, you or me?
We need to ask them. Who do you think is sillier, guys? Milk or mommy? Let us know in the comment section.
What?
Please some thumbs up as well.
Yeah.
Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed.
Please subscribe and support us so much because I really want to buy a house.
That's so true. It's one of our project.
What? She put down her vision board.
I did put down a house in my vision board
If
as
you
well.
if you don't know what's a vision board, it's like a board. You cut travel, you cut real same books, and then you put them on your vision board, a magazine that has real stuff. You put them on your vision board, then you work all the way to get to these stuff.
Yeah. So one of the other things on my vision board is 10,000 subscribers at least by the end of the year, right? You think we can make it? Guys, do you think we can make it? Can you help us make it?
Even if you don't like the video, please subscribe.
No, we want them to like the video. Please subscribe, we appreciate that, and we want you to like the video. So if there's anything that you don't like, let us know in the comment section or in the channel discussion section.
Or on Santa Cook's section.
Yeah, you can email me, you
Or
can comment, you can...
Facebook, you can ask on Facebook.
Yeah, and our page on Facebook. You can also contact me on Instagram. Let me know. Appreciate it. But I will definitely check the YouTube comments. I'm posting every Wednesday and every Saturday at 11 a.m. and I am usually watching and answering comments in the first half an hour. So from 11 a.m. to 11:30, you can chat with me if you want, and I will be available to you. After that, I will just answer you a little later because I start my day work around 12. So guys, I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes or until golden.
Yeah.
We just need the puff pastry to cook all the ingredients inside are already cooked or pre-cooked or don't need to cook. So guys, it's gonna go to the oven 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or enough time until it's golden and the pâte pastry is well cooked. So guys, our pâté is ready. I might leave it for a few more minutes to get some more color.
Okay.
So this is like 15 minutes in.
It smells
It's
good.
looking very good. It's looking very good. I'm just gonna add some more time for the coloring. So my pâté is ready. I added 5 minutes to it and the color is perfect, as you can see.
This
Let me
is so delicious.
Yes, here we go.
Yum, yum, yum. I just can't wait to taste one.
I know you can't. But it's super hot now. We should wait a little bit, Mama, okay?
Oh, okay. Well, this batch looks perfect.
I know, right?
Yeah, perfect and perfect. If there's little holes like in this one right here, it's okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, yum, yum.
You want to show it to the camera?
Yum, yum.
You see?
So good. I finish it. Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Is it yummy? I hope you guys will try it and will enjoy it and let us know in the comment sections. Please don't forget to click subscribe and stay to the end for the funny mail section. Oh, actually I forgot to cut the middle ones. Okay, no laughing, guys.
Please. So why you're all laughing then?
Because it's so funny. I thought I'm not gonna make any mistakes, but I forgot to cut these two.
Oh.
And I'm like, why is it not coming off? And here is why.
Well, you're good at that.
Here we go. What's that?
A dance.
It is? Okay.